on the good thing and letting go of any negativity.
शुभम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते दिव्या दिव्यारे दीपत्कार काली कुंडलमोतीहार दिव्याला पाहून नमस्कार.
Tension free. May I now request Swamiji to take the stage and enlighten us with knowledge on navigating through these transformative times with clarity and insight.
It was something which came to us as a pleasant surprise in this little chilly morning. After having a very vibrant day yesterday, I'm sure that some of you were also able to participate and enjoy. And as we move on to the next threshold and as we prepare for something, we just thought that it's always good to seek blessings, it's always good to seek wisdom, not just knowledge. And that's why we made a request, and I want to mention it here that our chairperson, Dr. Roni Ahluwalia, she was very keen, and the moment she heard Swamiji's connect with students, Swamiji has an Instagram page, and he's connecting with so many young children, and the kind of connect which he's having. So we thought that let's exploit our relationship with Swamiji positively, and let's bring in the benefit to our children also. So in this series, we are here to listen to Swamiji, and I'm sure this is going to be last. So with these words, I welcome Swamiji, and let's have one.
Hari Om, good morning everyone. Sound बढ़ा दिया, please. Sound volume बढ़ा दिया, थोड़ा हल्का सा. Hari Om, हल्का. Shall we chant together Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu Shloka together? ठीक है बेटा? Close your eyes everyone. One shloka we chant. Om Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma. तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Good morning everyone. How are you all feeling? 12th no everybody? Good. तो व्हाइट बोर्ड लगा देना उधर सामने लगा. पोडियम थोड़ा पीछे हटा दीजिए वो सब. अच्छा बेटा, did you bring your notepads or something? Okay. See, today my topic is what? How to face exams tension free. वो तो सबको टेंशन हो रहा है, मुझे भी टेंशन हो रहा था. How to talk on this tension free subject with the tension. ठीक है, now so long बेटा. Listen. कंसेस करके बता. हाँ, थोड़ा घुमा दो सर, बच्चों के लिए. हाँ, बस. पेन है ना वहाँ पे? थोड़ा कुर्सी लगा के कुछ या पेन और डस्टर लगा लीजिए. I may use it if I get a thought. Okay, बेटा सुनो. हिंदी में बोलो या इंग्लिश में? Which language? Both, anything will do, no, for you. You are all experts. Good. Now, देखिए, but I also can speak in many languages, so no problem. Okay. See, as long as you are a student, school, college, degree, then post-graduation or PhD, even after getting the job also, we keep on facing exams, is it not? देखिए, खास करके स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हमारे स्टूडेंट्स का ऑटोबायोग्राफी क्या है बताओ, स्टूडेंट्स की जिंदगी क्या होती है? पढ़ाई परीक्षा, पढ़ाई परीक्षा, पढ़ाई परीक्षा, पढ़ाई अब देखो, if a teacher is sadist, every day she will give a test. Monthly test, weekly test, quarterly test, half-yearly test, pre-board, board, post-board. नारायण भगवान जाने बाबा, बच्चे थक जाते हैं. You can't enjoy life, I tell you. ये परीक्षा हो गई. Suppose you're celebrating. Suppose 10th class pass होने के बाद celebrating. Yahoo! Eureka! Father will come and look at you. Hey, why are you screaming? Papa, I passed 10th class. Yeah. Father will say, 12th is the real turning point. पूरा आपका इतने जोश में ना ठंडा पानी देख देंगे. All inspiration gone, mood gone. खराब करते कि नहीं mood? टीचर्स भी करते खराब. सच यही है. आखिर में वॉचमैन भी दिमाग खराब करता है. बोलता है भाई ज्यादा हंसो मत, तो 10th में है तू, 12th में है तू. बाप रे. और जिंदगी क्या है? जिंदगी है मतलब बच्चों की बेचारी. क्या है? पढ़ाई पढ़ाई. हाँ बोलो. नेक्स्ट पढ़ाई परीक्षा, पढ़ाई. ये जिंदगी पता नहीं, ये टॉर्चर एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग. Therefore, you are always in tension. When are you relaxed? Even summer holidays you cannot be relaxed. I tell you. हाँ, तो 12th के बाद you can be relaxed? No. कौन सा कॉलेज में एडमिशन मिलेगा, कौन सा ग्रुप में मिलेगा, कहाँ जाना पड़ेगा, कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी में जाएगा. होता है कि नहीं? You are celebrating 12th अच्छा है, टेंशन हो रहा है, अच्छे लिखेंगे, पास हो जाएंगे. बाद में पास तो हो गए, बात जाएंगे. So therefore, जिंदगी कैसी है हमारी बताता हूं. ये है. अब देखो, है ना, डर तो होता है कि नहीं? राम निडर हूं, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है ना. मैं पहलवान हूं, मच्छर के ऊपर पहलवान दिखा सकते हैं, पहलवान है. You cannot show exams. So डर तो हमेशा, अच्छा पढ़ा लिखा आदमी को भी डर होता है. I will not bore you. ऐसा नहीं कि बाबा जी आ गया कुछ सुनाएंगे, नहीं. I am going to give you practical tips for exam, how to face exams, tension free. अब क्या होगा? देखो बेटा, सुनिए, डर एक चीज है, परीक्षा एक चीज है. दोनों में एक को हटा सकते हैं, दोनों साथ में रह नहीं सकता. Two cannot be together. So डर को रखें, डर की वजह से डर को रख देते हैं, एग्जाम को छोड़ देते हैं. हो सकता है क्या? Can you do exams? बेटा choose any one, fear or exam. How to be free? भैया एग्जाम छोड़ दिया तो डर भी चला जाएगा. One word, one shot, 2 words. हो सकता है क्या? Can you tell mom, ma'am, I don't like science, ma'am. Okay, बेटा, don't worry, don't write exam. ऐसा हो सकता है क्या? चॉइस ही नहीं है आपको. There's no choice for you all. You have to study. I don't like. Shut up. Did I ask you? Did I ask you? I don't like. Who asked you? But I don't like this teacher. You have to bear with her or him. You cannot change the teacher. This syllabus is heavy. Okay, come कर देंगे. And then you have no business. We are bound. So therefore, हमारे हाथ में एक ही है, डर को ही हटाना है. There is no idea. और कोई रास्ता ही नहीं है. So at any day we have to conquer the fear. Swami Vivekananda used to say, I like one word in Veda, it is called Abhihi. Abhi means be fearless, be fearless, he was fearless, no? When he went to World Parliament of Religions in 1893, 29-year-old youngster, पढ़े लिखे सारे स्कॉलर्स आए हैं दुनिया भर से. This young man हिला के रख दिया पूरा. अखबार में पूरा विवेकानंद के बारे में आया. नेक्स्ट डे, a Hindu monk from India, Swami Vivekananda. My God, this is be fearless. So we cannot eliminate exams. Fear we have to eliminate. Therefore, we must try to remove fear first. Fear of future, fear of jobs, मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, fear of पढ़ाई, कौन से कॉलेज में जाए, कैसे जिंदगी रहेगी. I tell you secret, secret आप जब जानते हैं 10th class से लेकर के you cannot enjoy a movie also. Even if you are in a movie, लाल बत्ती जलती रहती पीछे, डर होता है कि नहीं? You are in a movie hall. Can you forget and enjoy movie? No. पीछे से हिंदी टीचर, साइंस टीचर, मैथ टीचर लाल बत्ती जलाते रहते हैं. बैठे हैं. अरे घर जाके प्रोजेक्ट करना है, होमवर्क करना है, और कल क्लास है, एग्जाम है. You can't enjoy. Can you enjoy sport or games? No, you cannot. Yesterday, you had a festival, na, here. How many of you were really enjoying 100%? Forgetting everything? No. Your background mein, subconsciously there is a little uneasiness that I have to write exam. घर जाने के बाद परीक्षा शुरू. So there is a little problem. Fear is there, always there in fear in all of us. Fear of death also for old people. देखो, fear of नौकरी. आजकल ना, better don't talk. Am I boring you? Don't talk in between. Even one voice, my ears are like snake ears. So don't just talk. I am trying to build up the subject. I can give you serious talk. Shall I give you serious talk? Bore down. So now, when you cut my thought, I forget the thought. Thoughts हो रहा है, you cut it. The flow will be gone. Okay, so they are already gone, flow. Now see, fear, we all have fear of something or the other in life. Something happens. Go to पहाड़ के ऊपर height phobia. लिफ्ट में चढ़ोगे अकेला, बिजली करंट गया तो. I always think, not a negative thinking, but suppose only one pilot is there in the flight and he is not well in the air. What will happen to all of us? Gaya. See. So therefore, there is always a fear. Little turbulence, I was flying to Amritsar this month only. One lady sat at the window. I was sitting in the aisle, somebody sat in the middle. So, heavy turbulence. Dancing in the air, flight. This lady, baapre. First time I'm experiencing this much turbulence. कुछ तो होता नहीं ना, होगा नहीं ना कुछ भी, तो ठीक है ना, सेफ है ना, करके पूछ रही थी. बोला हाँ सेफ है, जब तक जिंदा है. हाँ सेफ है, हमारे अंदर सेफ है. Done, turbulence done. So it is always there is a fear. You should remove the fear in life. Okay. Now, why fear to be removed? Because subconsciously this fear causes. Are you writing down? So many points I'm telling you. Subconsciously, that's why books are to be brought, not papers. If you bring paper, how do you write? चलो ठीक है, आउटकम बच्चों को अकल नहीं होगा इस विषय। पेन नहीं है, पेपर नहीं है किसी के पास, पेपर लेके आए दिखा रहे, कैसे लिखे? You take things lightly, no? हाँ, कोई बाबा जी आ रहे हैं बोल के जाएंगे, टाइम पास हमारा सेशन सुबह सुबह, entertainment. Fear causes stress and stress leads to tension. See, if you keep the fear under, that will give you stress. Stress gives you tension. अब देखिए, now I want to tell you, stress arises when 5 चीजें बताने वाला हूं मैं आपको। आप स्वयं स्ट्रेस में पड़ जाते हो। स्ट्रेस माने तनाव। हम सब तनाव में पड़ जाएंगे, पढ़ते हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं, पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, पढ़ेंगे भी, आगे भी स्ट्रेस में पढ़ेंगे। क्यों? हमारे कुछ गलत है, हम गलतियां करते हैं। फर्स्ट वन बेटा, स्ट्रेस कॉजेस when you want to do great things in less time. If you started serious preparation in December, stress will increase. Why? Less time, more syllabus to study. I always share my experience in my life. Shall I share it with you? Beautiful experience. See, my uncle, my father's younger brother, was a great mathematician. He used to just dictate mathematical equations, everything, to post PG students and then cost accountant student, CA student. I said, must. My father's younger brother. My degree was physics, chemistry, and mathematics, maths, physics, chemistry. And finally, we have 2 mathematics, 2 physics, 2 chemistry, no languages. So 6 papers and heavy syllabus it was. So we had to study. My uncle wrote a postcard 20 days before the exam begins. He said, when you write second year degree last exam, same day you take train in the evening, next day morning you must reach my place. 700 kilometers, one night journey train. Book your ticket immediately. Come next day morning. 2 weeks को मैंने पहले लिख दिया लेटर. I booked my train ticket. After second year and before the starting of the final year session in the college, degree college, government degree college in Hyderabad, we had 63 days holidays. How many days? 63 days holidays. So he said, you come, you have 2 months time. We will complete final year mathematics syllabus. Next day morning, I treat him as my own guru, one of the great teachers for me. Spirituality also he taught. Join. Early morning, he called his wife, मेरी चाची को बुलाया, देखो ये आ गया है, यहाँ पे 2 महीने रहेगा और उसका काम एक ही है, घर का काम मत बोलना और बाहर जाकर सब्जी लाओ, अदरक लाओ, मिर्ची लाओ। बच्चे हैं ना, बोल देते हैं घर में काम। No work to be given to him. His job is morning coffee, mathematics. Breakfast, mathematics. Lunch, mathematics. Sleep for some time, get up, tea or coffee, mathematics. Evening dinner, mathematics. Sleep, dream, mathematics. He will not go to movies, he will not meet anybody, he will not waste time in gossip. He is going to be in the room and 2 months research time. I will teach him. So he also used to teach mathematics in institution. So he would give me morning equations, teaching and all. By afternoon, I should complete my work. 2 months में I have completed entire final year syllabus of mathematics. 2 papers. Completed every theorem, solved everything perfect. I became. मजा आया. And I came back. He dropped me at station and he gave me in those days 150 rupees tip also. रखो जेब में, काम आएगा, पॉकेट मनी. हो गया, वापस आ गया हैदराबाद. Then first day college started, final year. I was sitting like this in mathematics. And I was telling next step, धीरे धीरे. मेरे दोस्त सुन रहे हैं, बगल में 2-3 लोग बैठे हैं ना, तो क्या इतना आराम है, कुछ लिखता कुछ नहीं, किताब खोलता नहीं. I said, I have done my syllabus for final year on first day of the college. They were shocked. क्या कर रहे हो? क्या किया तुमने? यही किया. आपने क्या किया? अरे मैं पहाड़ में गया, वो पिज्जा खाया, उधर देखा, फोटो खिंचवाई, एंजॉय किया. I said, no enjoyment for me. Next 1 year, I am going to enjoy. You enjoyed only 2 months with the fear that final year शुरू होने वाला है. I enjoyed 2 months in mathematics. Completed syllabus, numerical analysis one subject, another subject was something. All the subject was done, and I got in both the papers 97%, 97%. It was a huge mark in those days. My colleagues told, friends told me, यार reevaluation कर लो, भाई हमारे happy हैं, इतना तो बोझ मिल गया. I am not interested to reevaluation because I know I solved more problems because old question paper I knew. Not I have to choose which to write. तीन स्टेप्स गलती किया होगा, मैं एंजाइटी होगा, वो टेकन 2 स्टेप्स डाल दिया होगा एडवांस में, इसलिए मार्क्स कम हो गया होगा, एक आध मार्क्स इधर उधर का. 97. What did I do? I have not planned to do great things in less time. So this is a principle useful for your degree also. Now what happened? You can't enjoy cricket, you can't enjoy movie, you can't enjoy TV, you can't enjoy restaurant, going in parties, you can't go in picnic. Why? Always background mein this fear is there. करेक्ट. सो स्ट्रेस बढ़ता है. अभी क्या होगा आपके लिए बताता हूं. सपोज दिसंबर में, अभी हो गया दिसंबर, किसी से पूछा, मैं दिसंबर 31 को पूछा, अरे तेरे एग्जाम्स कब है? अगले साल. अच्छा बेटा. शाम को 6 बजे पूछा, कब है? अगले साल. समझिए, अगले साल. अच्छा बेटा. 11:30 बजे रात को पूछा, अगले साल. 11:45 बजे पूछा, अगले साल. 12:01 तक पूछा, कब रे? अगले साल है. टेंशन बढ़ गया. जनवरी 1 एग्जाम्स इन फेब्रुअरी नेक्स्ट मंथ. साइकोलॉजिकली देखो क्या फर्क पड़ता है. अभी साइकोलॉजिकली फिर क्या हो रहा? तब यू ओपन योर बुक्स नाउ फ्रॉम द क्लास में. इफ यू ओपन साइंस, फ्रॉम दैट मैथमेटिक्स टीचर विल emerge and says mathematics is scoring subject, focus on it. You close the science subject and open mathematics. and मैथ्स करते समय हिंदी टीचर आ जाती है. राष्ट्रभाषा के प्रति यदि प्यार नहीं होता, जीवन व्यर्थ है. सामाजिक दृष्टि से देखा जाए, पर सुनो, अरे बाप रे, ये राष्ट्रभाषा आ गई, मैथ्स बंद कर दिया, हिंदी खोला. हिंदी पढ़ते समय ना, इंग्लिश इज द ओनली लैंग्वेज ऑफ मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. हिंदी बंद हो गई, इंग्लिश बोल रहे. यू कैन नॉट फोकस ऑन एनी सब्जेक्ट. सच है कि नहीं? See my idea. Therefore, there is no shortcut methods. But one thing is, we should, like I planned, even today, that आदत ना लग गया मेरे को. Now today I am thinking of how to deliver talks in Bhopal on an important subject on 18th and 19th and 20th February 2025. I was coming in the car. I called somebody. Hey, what happened to that statement? This one, that supports data. Yes, thinking. So मेरे टेंशन नहीं होता. मैं आज की तैयारी कुछ है ही नहीं मेरा. Relaxed. So remember, second point. When we don't know where to begin, how to begin, etc., and what we are supposed to do, पढ़ाई के लिए कहाँ से शुरू करें, किस सब्जेक्ट शुरू करें. स्ट्रेस बढ़ जाता है। थर्ड पॉइंट, when we remember always our failures of the past, अभी तक जीवन में मैथमेटिक्स में 100 मार्क्स कभी नहीं मिला, तो अभी भी नहीं मिलेगा। साइंस में 99 कभी पार नहीं हुआ, तो अभी भी नहीं होगा। मैं बुद्धू थी, बुद्धू हूँ, बुद्धू ही रहूंगी। बुद्धू था, बुद्धू हूँ, बुद्धू ही रहूंगा जीवन में। मैं अभी सुधर जाओ, कैसे सुधरूं? मैं बुद्धू था ना। अच्छा तो था ना, वो तो था। अब क्या है? जो था वही है, जो है वही होगा। देखो, the moment you remember past failures, stress increases. Correct or not? बढ़ जाता है stress. So don't allow the mind to think about the past. बाहर में जाना मन को। The fourth point, when you don't know whom to ask for guidance. मैं एक बात बताऊं आपको, बिना डर टीचरों का दिमाग खाते रहो। Don't be afraid of asking. 100 times you ask till you get a point you are clear. They are paid for it, and your duty is to ask them. And no teacher will. If teacher feels unhappy because you are too much of asking again and again and again and again, complain to principal. This teacher is not guiding me. But I am sure no teacher will ever say no. If you more asking, they feel happy. They are actually unhappy because you don't ask them anything. आप लोग समझते हैं टीचर बुद्धू है, टीचर समझते हैं इतने मैं जानती हूँ या जानता हूँ, कोई पूछता नहीं मुझे। I wanted to share wisdom, but nobody is willing to learn. टीचर्स भी पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट किए हैं, बीएड किए हैं, एमएड किए हैं, पढ़े हैं, लिखे हैं, अनुभव है। How can you challenge them? They have been teaching many batches. So we cannot take that experiences for granted. They are good in their own subject. So seek guidance. और घर में कोई है, यदि मैं नहीं जानता हूँ कि कहाँ जाऊँ, किससे पूछूं, तनाव बढ़ जाता है। And last one is, हम तो करना चाहते हैं, मगर जो मेरा मन है ना, दुश्मन नंबर 1। आप मन से बोलोगे कल सवेरे उठ के पढ़ोगे, मन बोलेगा बाहर में जाओ। अरे जल्दी सोना ज्यादा नहीं, जगह रहो, कुछ पढ़ाई करो। अरे कल कर लेंगे, क्या जल्दी है, कल ही परीक्षा है, दोपहर को है ना, सुबह पढ़ लेंगे। अरे भाई सुबह 9 बजे है, आराम से 4 बजे उठ के पढ़ लेंगे, अब तो नहीं पढ़ना। That's how the mind doesn't cooperate with you. When you want to study and mind is not cooperating, टेंशन बढ़ जाता है। और remember, fear is born from lack of confidence, lack of clarity, lack of preparation, and insufficient memory power. देखो भैया, कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है तो भाई क्लैरिटी नहीं है जीवन में, क्या पढ़ना है, कब पढ़ना है, कैसे पढ़ना है, प्रिपरेशन ठीक से नहीं है। जो बेटा सुनो, जो अच्छे पढ़े लिख कर जाते हैं एग्जाम, उसका चेहरा देखना, वो से जाता है। जो लिखा नहीं ना, गुड मॉर्निंग, कैसे हो, ठीक हो, उदास क्यों है, डर लग रहा है, क्यों? मैं 10 क्वेश्चन प्रिपेयर करके आई हूँ, उस 10 में आ गए तो बच जाती हूँ, नहीं तो गोविंदा गोविंदा, जय भगवान की जय। I'll tell you later on some topics. Now, so again I'm repeating, when we want to do more things in less time, it is called stress. Now, stress leads to tension. Tension क्या होता है? अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे? बोर हो रहा है क्या? बोर नहीं हो रहा ना? To entertain you, I cannot dance ना, disco dance मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ आपको अभी। To entertain you, अच्छा, now beta listen. When we don't know, so fear, exams and fear. Exam हटा नहीं सकते, fear को हटाना है. Fear को रखा है, it leads to stress. Stress leads to tension. What is tension? Stress कब बनता है? 5 पॉइंट में दिया आपको. लिखा है कि नहीं? अच्छा, now when we don't know what to prepare, syllabus. बेटा आज गए ना, आप जाते हो घर, आज आपके मन में बुद्धि निश्चय करके बैठना है बुद्धि में कि आज मैं यही पढ़ूंगा या पढ़ूंगी, बस इतना ही क्लियर कट. आज मैं घर जाकर ये कंप्लीट करूंगा काम. दुविधा में नहीं उठना चाहिए, यहाँ पढ़ूं वहां पढ़ूं यहाँ करूं, किधर जाऊं उधर जाऊं इधर जाऊं. This is kind of no, you decide, you make up your mind. And then mind says, suppose you decided science, mind says mathematics, shut up, today is only science day. If you don't know what to prepare, each hourly basis now, tension बढ़ जाता है. Second one, when to prepare? भैया अपना अपना टाइम होता है. You should know at what time which subject to be studied. At best is early morning. इसका साइंटिफिक रीजन भी है. अब बताने लगे तो टाइम लग जाता है. But trust me, early morning is the best time. When everybody is sleeping, no disturbance in environment, you also have rested, mind settled down, and early morning is corticosteroids are produced in the body, natural steroids, to help us to cope with the pressure. It's called hypothalamus, thyroid and adrenal gland axis that triggers in the morning, midnight, 2 o'clock every day. 2 to 8 a.m. steroids are produced, natural steroids, which will help us in cope up early morning stress. This is called surfing. Surfing means what? You know surfing? The people do know surfing in the ocean waves. When the high tides, they know how to duck. When the low tides, they know how to jump. So use the waves of this by natural biological waves and ride over them intelligently. Morning up so जाते हो, all the beautiful support given by nature in the form of to cope up with the morning stress steroids are wasted. Bhagwan Satya Sai Baba teaching his own students in Puttaparthi, Andhra Pradesh, he says morning 4 to 8 and evening 4 to 8 p.m. is called Satvik Kal, best time for studies. Morning 4 to 8 and evening 4 to 8. And morning 8 to evening 4, Rajasik Kal, meaning activity, going and meeting people, doing job and all. And night 8 to early morning, again 4 o'clock is Tamasic Kal, because all that sleepy, laziness. At that time you try to awake yourself, thinking that you are studying. The receptivity range, the receptivity degree is so reduced. Early morning, if you train, it is like a sponge. Mind becomes a sponge. If you are sleeping and completely at that time you are pattar. Pattar cannot absorb anything. So use a natural biological clock. That's called surfing. So when to prepare which subject, you should know. And how to prepare procedure. भाई एक सब्जेक्ट पढ़ने की तरीका होती है. I can't tell you all that, time is not there. So you should know what kind of procedure should adopt in studying this. Every chapter में highlighting the points, key points underline करना, highlight करना. Subject, study, procedure जाना चाहिए आपको. Next one, why to prepare now? Why am I studying today what I am studying? Why am I preparing today whatever I am preparing? Priority. Priority. I'm weak in mathematics, so more spend time in mathematics. Weak in science, spend more time. Weak in grammar, okay, spend more time in grammar. You must know priority on day-to-day basis. Next, how much to prepare? You decide. आज मैं इतना पोर्शन कवर करके सो जाऊंगी. And intense preparation. Mind is focused, quickly absorbed, time is saved. Think. Next one, Where to prepare? Which place? What's the ideal place to prepare? कोई घर में होता नहीं तो जाओ बाहर जाओ पेड़ के नीचे बैठ जाओ या स्कूल के कंपाउंड में घुस जाओ या तो लाइब्रेरी में चले जाओ जब छत पर बैठो. You have to choose the place. I can't help you all those things, but you must be alone. Okay? Now, exam के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ. Remember, important thing यहाँ पे अरे माइक है, हैंड माइक है क्या? हरिओम बहुत बड़ा हरिओम हरिओम. हाँ नो सी साइकोलॉजिकली बचपन से लेकर के खास करके 7th 8th 9th से बचपन से आपके दिमाग में एक शब्द रगड़ रगड़ के रखते हैं. कौन रखते हैं? पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स, समाज, सोसाइटी, एवरीबडी. That word is called competition. And I will not, भैया माइक ठीक नहीं है बेटा देखिए. I will not give a lecture of this very beautiful point actually. I will tell you concise because I will not सिर्फ बोल देते हैं. I will utter one word. अभी कुछ बोलूंगा मैं एक शब्द. उसका अर्थ आपके मन में कौन सा अर्थ पड़ा है ना टेक्स्ट बुक में वो बता देना. ठीक है? पॉलिटिक्स मतलब क्या है? बोलो. ट्रांसलेशन नहीं. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग यू गॉट इन साइकोलॉजिकल मीनिंग इन दैट? कंट्रोवर्सी. नेक्स्ट. हाँ? That is a positive, but that is not the strategy. If that is the word, can I say a lot of politics in your house? तो देखो कितने लोग हंस रहे हैं. What? बोलो. Manipulation. Yes, controversy, manipulation. Then corruption. Wonderful point. कौन बोला? Very good भैया. अनुभव हुआ क्या? ठीक है. Corruption. Next. Power, dominance, arrogance. Oh God. Politics means manipulations. अच्छा. Textbook definition. So textbook definition की politics सुनते ही आपको which you will remember definitely not the textbook definition. You will remember what is rubbed or what is felt by you, is it not? Now I will use one word. Competition means what? क्या क्या भाव लग रहा है आपको? हाँ? क्या बोला? I didn't get it. Rat race. हाँ. चूहा बोले तो ना. हाँ चूहा. Rat race. You are a race or rat here? You are a rat? चलो पब्लिक में सी कन्फ्यूज है मेरे. ठीक है. हाँ नेक्स्ट वन. आप अकल नहीं है आपको. कंपैरिजन, टेंशन, स्ट्रेस. कॉम्पिटिशन का मतलब जेलसी, हेट्रेड, हाँ सेल्फिशनेस. वेरी गुड. सेल्फिशनेस. हाँ नेक्स्ट. रिजर्वेशन. ओके. रिजर्वेशन. ओके बताओ. रिजर्वेशन में भी कॉम्पिटिशन होता है.
A way of showing dominance.
Dominance. All such nonsense. All negativity only. All negative. देखो बेटा, every word carries energy. Politics is a negative word now. ठीक है? Competition is also a negative word. As many times as you remember this word, so many times you are producing negative energy in the mind. Okay, now I'll prove you there is no competition. Competition is not there. It's a myth. Shall I prove it? How much you will pay? ठीक है. Now listen. Don't think Babaji is a fool. दाढ़ी देख के, बाल देख के बेचारा पढ़ा नहीं होगा, नौकरी नहीं मिली होगी, इसलिए बाबाजी बन गए. No, now listen. And a simple question. Unfortunately, your teachers, including institutions, society, parents, they all rub on your head with one word which actually it doesn't exist. Competition. It's not there. I'll ask you one thing. Suppose in mathematics, simple thing, आप अकल सोचते नहीं, आप टीचर्स भी नहीं सोचते हैं, कोई नहीं सोचते. 1 to 50 people are there, students in a class. Mathematics में suppose mathematics 100 marks maximum, 100 marks maximum. 2 सामने 100 है, third number के सामने 100 है, 4 number 100 है. Tell me, if 1 के सामने 100 अपना 100 पड़ा है, how come 2 to 50 people are competing with him?
Seats के लिए.
हाँ?
College seats के लिए.
क्या बोला?
College seats.
College से बाद में आएंगे. I'm talking now. I will tell you there also, my dear. I'm not a fool. That extension was बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. I am confined only to students first, right now, education. There is no competition sports also. But anyway, it's a big subject now. But I'll tell you one thing. Students में लिए, your marks 100 are there. 2 to 49 people are nowhere there trying to stop you from you achieving your 100 marks. There is no competition at all. No competition. Suppose if I say only one person can get 100 marks, then 50 are writing, then for 100 की लड़ाई हो सकती है. Only one person can get 100 marks. Second one 99.9 देंगे, 900 नहीं देंगे. Then there could be competition. यहाँ पे competition क्या है? बेवकूफ लोग अपनो. Competition क्या है? You are everybody's 100. Suppose you are number 2 and you got 100 and I am number 1. I got only 90. Then you boost me. I got 100. I competed. I tell Buddhu, मेरा balance 10 मेरे सामने ही पड़ा हुआ है. मैंने उठाया नहीं. मेरा 10 मार्क तू तो नहीं लिया ना. मेरा 10 मार्क कहाँ पड़ा है फिर? मैंने छोड़ रखा है. जिम्मे पे पड़ा हुआ है. It is my bewakufiness. I took only 90 out of 100 available marks. You were intelligent. You took 100 out of 100. You did not compete me. You are not so great. I am a fool. No comparison there. I did not achieve. I did not take completely 100. I did not take my marks. Full stop. आपने ले लिया है. उठाया पूरा अपना मार्क. So therefore 2 to 49 people never ever stopping me from my performance. Therefore I will say select all, delete all. Go to recycle bin, empty recycle bin. Nobody is stopping you. There is no competition. And what you people think, what you people think, I tell you. What happened to your mind, I will tell you. चौंगे ना आप लोग. Simple सी बात है. Never believe anybody. Even Sanjay ji comes, there is a competition. Good morning, sir. Thank you very much for your session. We will not accept because there is no competition. How competition कुछ भी नहीं. हम क्या करते हैं बताता हूँ. विजन बेटा, ये पेन इतना अच्छा नहीं है, फिर दम नहीं है पेन. वो गीक हो रहा है. अच्छा ठीक है, छोड़ो. अभी जब ये है ना माइंड, Mind is nothing but energy field, energetic energy field. It's an energy field. Now see better, suno. Listen, you are remembering A, B, C, अच्छा लिख रहा है, D तो आगे बढ़ रहा है, E तो ये कर रहा है, F तो ये कर रहा है. You are actually 90% of energy is frozen by the images of your friends. किसको देखा है? वो अच्छा लिख रहा है, अच्छा पढ़ा होगा. Energy is frozen, freezed, because your image tension, future tension, past, unknown worries, because of all these things, energy is frozen. Liquid energy, if I can use it, liquid energy is only 2% or maximum 5% available. Naturally, tension बढ़ रहा है. Therefore, there is no competition at all. You are free in this life. If there is only one job, 25 people are writing, there is a competition. There also there is no competition. What is your job? Your job is how to write all questions perfectly, how to prepare well for interview. Do your best and leave the rest. What is? लेकिन स्वामी जी आजकल ट्रैफिक बढ़ रहा है. बोलता है भैया तू भी ट्रैफिक में ही है ना. You are also contributing to it, no? Huh? You think that nobody should be there? My people should be there. Nobody should get job. I also should get job. Nobody should apply for jobs. I also should apply job. That's wrong. So what we need is alternatives in life. There is no disappointment. And I'll tell you one more thing. Secret tell you आपको. Begin में जा रहे हैं ना. Out of 100 MBAs, only 20 people are employable in the country. Rest all 80 are unfit for jobs. Out of 100 engineers, only 22% engineers are employable. 78% of them are unfit for jobs. And in spite of so many MBAs and engineers in the country, every company, corporate company says we are not getting right candidates. ये कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन है कि नहीं? माने सब लोग बेकार लोग हैं. Therefore, my appeal to all of you is be the best. Let the job search you. You don't be the beggar of the jobs. Be the best. People chase you. I want you. I want you. I want you. I want you. Please come. Please come. Please come. Otherwise, if your strength, you don't have to worry. If your knowledge, skill, attitude, hardworking nature, nobody can stop you. Population is useless. The fact I'm telling you. आगे बढ़े. Therefore, exam is what I wanted to tell that it is only self-willed and self-evaluation process. Nobody is taking your test. Principal has no business and courage to take your test. Teachers have no business and courage to take your test. Society, parents, CBSE, none of them is testing you. You are willed it, it's evaluation. You want to evaluate yourself. You are willed to write exam. Therefore, nobody is giving you a test. You are taking it with joy. If you think somebody is testing me, psychological pressure. Understood? Understood or not? Nobody is testing me. So, what is this now? It's only examination is only a challenge between you and your mind. There is no competition, no comparison, and nobody is taking your test. Somebody says, sports में भी नहीं है, sports में भी नहीं है. Suppose I am participating in Olympics long jump, and I just want to participate. And then list comes before me. China he is coming, Korea he is coming, America he is coming. Hey, Dhurandhar hai, wo Dhurandhar hai. I don't want to freeze my mental energy by all of them thinking about them. वो बड़ा great है, ये great है, वो great है. Mind is fixed. Energy is frozen. No, I will not do that. What I will do? I will simply decide last year how much, what the first mark, 8 feet, suppose 8 feet, long distance, 8 feet, suppose. Then I made up a mind. Last year 8 feet, no. This year I will practice 8.2. So my practice is what? Select all, delete all. Challenge between me and my mind. Jai Hanuman Ji ki 8.2 feet, I have to jump. And I am just focusing and practicing how to jump 8.2 feet. Full stop. And I went to sports. I don't care who is coming from the world. I don't care. No competition. I have decided 8.2 feet. Went there, and 8.2 I jumped. Somebody could jump 8.3. So where did I fail? I failed not because of him, because of my lack of courage to visualize beyond 8.2. So who defeated me? My mind defeated me. Has he defeated me? No, he did not defeat me. There is also no competition. Are you understanding? You challenge Hanuman wanted to go to Lanka. That's it. Jambavan said, Hanumanji, you are a great man, you don't know your power, please rise up and do. Hanumanji, one flight, Sri Lanka. So every soul is potentially divine. You decide what you want to be. Suppose physical deformities are there, energy is not there, stamina is not there, doesn't matter. You do your best, shine whatever way you can. But remember in life, alternatives are plenty. You cannot say, my goal is IIT, otherwise, suicide. My dear, आपको दिमाग घुमाने वाली बात बताओ. IIT cannot be the goal. How dare you say, Mr. Swami? I will tell you. Engineering is the goal, IIT is the first option. दिमाग खराब करके रखा है आप सब लोगों का. Be the best engineer is my goal. To be best in India, IIT is the first option for me. IIT नहीं मिला. I can take 2 alternate, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. But wherever I am, nobody can stop me from being the best engineer in the world with my hard work, understanding, knowledge, tapasya, penance I will do. I can surpass IIT in brain also. Is it not? Is it not possible? The great engineers, Vishweshwaraya, Mokshavardhana Vishweshwaraya, Subhash Chandra Bose, what you call Jagadish Chandra Bose, all those great science, they are all IIT or what? Huh? Which IIT institute did Einstein study? What nonsense, you are conditioned by your own mind. People conditioned you have accepted it. Engineering is the goal. Best engineer is my goal. IIT could be the first option. IIT is the first option for me. Think. Beauty is it? I will try for IIT. But did not get second option, third option. I am Ahmedabad or Calcutta or whatever it is. No, I am the first option. Nahi mila, the other best institutions are their management. I will join their second option. My goal is to become the best in management. Maybe IIM could be for me the first choice. So IIM, Ahmedabad or Calcutta is not the goal. To be the best man, which management we have studied then? I formally did not study. But we all can plan an event. We all can plan, we all can execute, we all can lecture, we all can guide, we all can human work we can do. We all can talk, and I also go to IIMs and IITs to address them. Formally, I don't have any formal post-graduation degree. So knowledge is skill, knowledge and attitude. ये किसी एक का संपत्ति नहीं है. Anybody can grab it. So it's only a challenge between you and your mind. Be best engineer. Be the best wherever you are. कितना रॉन्ग थिंकिंग है बताओ? नौकरी में रॉन्ग थिंकिंग, कंपटीशन में रॉन्ग थिंकिंग. So golden rule number 1. So it's not a challenge given by anybody to you. Parents दिया है, वो दिया है, नहीं, nobody. Golden rule number 1 is बेटा. Number 1 is, do you study for study's sake or mark's sake? Mark's sake. Therefore, you come under stress and fear. Study for study's sake. Marks are byproducts. ये कहता हूं, एक आदमी जा रहा था, बार बार पीछे मुड़कर देख रहा था, बार बार 2 कदम लेता है, पीछे देखता है, मुड़कर, पीछे तो है ही नहीं, कोई नहीं. मुझे आश्चर्य लगा. उसके बाद जाके पूछा, भैया बार बार क्यों मुड़ते हो, 2 कदम डालते हो, फिर बाहर पीछे देखते हो, क्या तेरे पीछे कुछ भूत दिख रही है? तेरे को भूत दिख रहा है? भूत नहीं स्वामी जी, नहीं तो कोई है ही नहीं, बार बार क्यों देख रहे हो? बस स्वामी जी, आई एम एंश्योरिंग माई शैडो फॉलोस मी. एक थप्पड़ दिया. While you are ensuring your shadow follows you or not, जितने बार तुम देखते हो उतने समय आपकी गति का अवरोध हुआ कि नहीं? गति रुकेगी नहीं? अरे बुद्धू, you follow, your shadow will come. Marks are shadows. Can you catch your shadow? No. Only one way you can catch. When you fall flat in the mid-afternoon, your shadow is underneath you. So marks are like shadows. Study for study's sake. Marks will come behind, running. And as well as you are running like marks, it's like running after shadow. So therefore, I'll ask you one more question. Your institutions, parents are खराब करके रख रहे हैं आपको. कैसे बताता हूँ आपको? You by heart write exam, get 100 marks, become class leader, monitor, and think that you are intelligent. People call you intelligent. Why? Class first. Very good. Same question paper I will give you after 15 days. Will you get same marks? No. Why? Then are you intelligent? No. Therefore, memory is not intelligence. And institutions are making a blunder by calling a memory as intelligence. Memory is not intelligence. And you are carried away by the thought, I am intelligent. Who called you? How? Memory. Memory is not intelligence. करप्ट, पूरा सिस्टम पूरा ना इतना करप्ट हो चुका है. रॉन्ग थिंकिंग रगड़ रगड़ के आप दिमाग में बिठा दिया. एंड यू पीपल फॉलो दैट. बेचारे इनोसेंट पीपल, यू फॉलो दैट ओनली. सो स्टडी फॉर स्टडी सेक, नॉट देन जॉब सब कुछ आ जाता है अपने आप. Don't be the beggar of jobs. So if you study, you get freshness, knowledge you will get, you will increase, joy, enjoyment also. Like I enjoyed, when I studied mathematics in 2 months, I enjoyed. I was so relaxed. The knowledge gave me so much of confidence. Okay? Golden rule number 2 in studies mein, attitude. Do you love your studies? No. Therefore, you can never be successful. Because you don't love your studies, you by heart. You by heart, memorize. Memorize and go and sneeze on the examination paper and clear the nose after every test. Khatam ho gaya. When you love your studies, how to love studies? My dear, every subject in the universe is divine. Every subject in the universe has wonders. Physiology is a wonder, anatomy is a wonder, botany is a wonder, zoology is a wonder, physics is a wonder, chemistry is a wonder, organic chemistry is a wonder, inorganic chemistry is a wonder, oceanology is a wonder, anthropology is a wonder, psychology is a wonder, mathematics is a wonder, language also is a beautiful wonder. Look at the wonder of every subject, then you will love it. Don't look at every subject as a burden. इसमें कितना मार्क्स मिलता है? रॉन्ग अप्रोच. It's a teacher's job to create an attitude of wonderment in every subject. Whatever the teachers teaches, it's a teacher's job also to make you understand, to peep into subject certain great wonders. Wonders in nanotechnology, wonders in astrophysics, wonders. A baby is growing in mother's womb in 9-10 months, the baby is made. Wonder. With all complex nervous systems. Wonder. The motor functions of the entire anatomical. Wonder. When you look at it as wonder, you start loving the subject. Don't look at the marks, burden, pariksha, jindagi. Nonsense. Okay? Now I am telling you 2 charts. Sir, I started at 8:20. Correct? So 9:20, 35 I stop. Any problem? Okay. Otherwise I can stop now also. No. Okay, आवारा हूँ, आया राम से. अच्छा, this is important. First write down that. Quickly copy करो. All Buddhus, those who are not pen भी लेके नहीं आए. क्या बच्चे हैं? पेन लेके नहीं आया, किताब लेके नहीं आया. ठीक है, सुनो बेटा. Shall I explain that? Now see, rule number one. This chart has to be prepared in a big way. Paste it in your room for every subject, alag. Write it with a pencil. Number one. Number two, you have to update this chart every month. Even degree में भी पढ़ ले यही करना है. Update every month. Suppose end of the year. Example I am giving you. There are 15 lessons in English. You must know how many tough chapters, how many are okay for you, how many are easy for you. ये चार्ट बनाना है. I बताओ. So many people do not know how many chapters are there also. नंबर बताओ. हाँ देखना पड़ेगा. शायद 17, शायद 19. People do not know their syllabus also. So किताब खोलो. इंग्लिश में कितने चैप्टर्स हैं? एग्जाम्पल आई एम गिविंग यू. नॉन डिटेल है, प्रैक्टिकल सब कुछ है, तो ठीक है. जस्ट राइट डाउन व्हाट आर ऑल थिंग्स आर देयर. उसमें कितने चैप्टर्स टफ है, कितना इजी है, कितना ओके है फॉर यू. राइट डाउन. और फोकस रखना है ग्रामर. फोकस ऑन ग्रामर फॉर एग्जाम्पल. बेटा सुनो, आज स्कूल के बाद बिफोर यू स्लीप make this chart for all subjects. How many of you will do? Good, my dear. Do it. Know where you stand. Know where you stand. Don't go blindly for writing exam. Thinking अच्छा लिखा हो जाएगा. Don't have that kind. Be firm. Then you will know what to do before exams. You know what to prepare, how to prepare, everything आ गया पूरा. Next one. ये लो subject general analysis. Subject के अंदर जाना है. Example mathematics. सुनो बेटा, उसमें maths marks 100, algebra, coordinate, geometry, numeric, सब example I'm giving you. जो main subjects है. Algebra में suppose sections 8 sections are there. लिख लो ना how many sections you are in weak. How many sections you are strong? So, don't go blindly and ask teachers. They will tell you out of 100 marks, objective type, short answer, theorems, everything, long answers, everything मिला के algebra से they will know how many marks, how many questions will come for how many marks. This set pattern is there. Algebra से इतने मार्क्स आएंगे. So 25 marks suppose from algebra. Ask teachers, they will tell you, including objective type. Once you know this, how many exactly? भैया ये सब किसी किताब में नहीं है. मैं खुद बनाता हूँ ये सब ऐसे. सोच कर. Nothing you find these topics in any book. नो आई डोंट कॉपी फ्रॉम एनी बुक बाबा, जो मेरे गुरु बोलते हैं मैं लिख देता हूँ, ऊपर से बोलता है मैं लिखता हूँ. So when you know 25 marks from algebra, 8 sections are there, 4 you are weak, 4 you are strong. So 8 even 25 में again further divide 3 marks from each section, suppose average. Then how many marks? 4 you are already weak, so 12 गया है. 4 you are strong. Out of 4 you should get 12 marks. 12 marks में you cannot ensure 90% ले लो. So about 10%, 10 marks or 12 marks you can expect from algebra. I will not consider any mark from if you are weak. Don't go by it. Then you know how much to prepare. Don't gamble. Don't refer previous question paper. ये क्वेश्चन 10 साल से नहीं आया तो नहीं आएगा, आएगा तो बेकार लोग है. That's not the way to preparation. या मॉडल क्वेश्चन पेपर पढ़ना. Similarly, you make for every subject. Suppose practicals है, non-editors है, poems are there. Suppose in Hindi, how many poems are there? How many what you call कविताएं हैं? How many गद्य हैं? How many पद्य हैं? All those things write down. What are the grammars are there? समास कितने हैं? संधि कितने हैं? पूरा make a chart, सब by chart. इसमें how much I know, how much I know, how much I know. आप ये बना के रख दिया ना, you know what to prepare. You people don't know what is the content of the textbook. Am I correct? Say yes or no. Do it, my dear. With all my love, I am telling you. Please do it. For your life. You make it, you know where you stand. Okay? Now, quickly, time questionnaire. Number 1. I'm asking you. If you sleep less, if you sleep more, there. You must know. Time management questionnaire. Number 2. How much time you spend in the morning to get ready? Don't answer me. Get up, brush, keep it, and sit there in bathroom and sleep. No. 20 minutes maximum. Go, brush, toilet, take bath. Crack. 20 minutes. उसके लिए आप बैठे, मम्मी बोलते नहाओ, नहा जाऊंगी, कब, अभी, कब, अभी जा रही हूँ, तो उठो, उठ रही हूँ, मम्मी अंदर गई है, तो ऐसे बैठी है. Laziness it is. This habit I got from 7th class onwards. Finish it off 20 minutes, just then 5 hours, so much of time. Time waste. Number 3, dining table, time waste. Licking everybody's fingers. आपका हो गया, खाना प्लेट हो गया, मम्मी आप क्या खा रही हो? वो क्या है? अचार. चलो दिखाया. 1 hour, shameless fellows. How much time you wasted? गिनो पूरा. अच्छा. Next one, television. But every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, big news. Where? And your favorite social media. How much time? Oh God. Facebook video scroll करते जा. Instagram, TikTok तो नहीं है भारत में. Time, criminal waste of time. Every moment, every second counts. All the drops collected, it will after 5-6 hours गया दिन में. पता ही नहीं लग रहा है आपको. Simply standing and loitering around the balcony, तो देखते रहना. और कमेंट करो लड़की लड़के on the road. इसका शक्ल देखो, उसका शक्ल देखो. कैसे तेरे के दूसरा को कैसा पहने हैं. Loitering around. टाइम वेस्ट, गिनो भैया गिनो, टोटल कम कर, एनी वर्क मोर देन, भैया आधा घंटा के काम 2 घंटा खींच लेते हो भैया, हाँ होमवर्क करना है भाई, बैठ जाओ 15-20 मिनट आधा घंटा जो भी है खत्म कर लो, नहीं उसके लिए ना बैठो, बीच में उठो, किचन में जाओ, पकौड़ा खाओ, फिर आ जाओ। इस बच्चे इतने में आपका बच्चा, माने घर का जो बच्चा होता है ना, छोटा भाई है जो है, वो लेके पेंसिल लेके घूम रहा था उधर, पेंसिल आ गया, फिर उसके पीछे पड़ो, वो कहीं फेंक दिया सोफा के नीचे, फिर झुक रहा है, झुकते समय आपका सिर लगाया करके, फिर फर्स्ट एड गया, पूरे पढ़ाई। क्या क्या होता है घर पे, सुबह सुबह सॉक्स के लिए ढूंढना पड़ता है, जूता के लिए ढूंढना पड़ता है, कपड़ा ढूंढना पड़ता है, किताब यहीं रखी थी, मैंने पता लगा आगे मम्मी आगे किताब रखी थी, कुछ निकाला क्या? हाँ बेटा निकाल, नीचे पड़ा हुआ है, मैं अंदर रखा है, कौन सा अंदर में याद नहीं है। मजा मजा, disorganized people. Planning, good time, no, you should spend good amount of time in planning. प्लानिंग में ज्यादा समय करो, देन एवरीथिंग इंप्लीमेंटेशन। प्लानिंग करते ही नहीं आप, सुबह उठ के आज क्या करना है पता नहीं, जहां आवाज आती है वैसे चले जाते हैं। यूजलेस पीपल। नेक्स्ट वन, सम टाइम एटलीस्ट पेरेंट्स से बात करो, 5-10 मिनट जरूरी है, बात करो, दादा दादी नाना नानी बात करो, प्यार से बात, जस्ट आशीर्वाद लो, बस 5 मिनट, दे विल बी हैप्पी, दे ब्लेस यू। वो भी नहीं करते हैं। अच्छा, गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स, क्रिकेट मैच, बस एक ओवर देख के चले जाऊंगी, उसी ओवर में टेंशन बढ़ गया, नहीं अभी क्या होगा, 2 ओवर देख लेते हैं। हैंड कुछ नहीं लेता, मेरा जीवन पूरा क्या दिख रहा है, कुछ सुना सुना दिख रहा है, तो कुछ पढ़ो ना, नहीं घबराहट हो रही है, कब से, सुबह से, क्यों, बस कुछ दिख रहा है, अभी क्या करूं, क्या करूं, अब क्या करें, परीक्षा तो आई ना, आप परीक्षा तैयारी करो, वो तो ठीक है समझ हो जाएगा, बस इसके बाद में किससे शादी करूं, ये मेरी चिंता हो रही है अभी दिन में, मेरे होने वाली पत्नी या पति कैसे होंगे, प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन। Or you are a genius in discovering unique ways of wasting time. You are very creative and upload that in Instagram and spoil 1 lakh people. You know what I do? Upload. सारे बेवकूफ खूब बेवकूफ है, सारे हजारों बेवकूफ फॉलोअर्स है, सब लोग बेवकूफ देखते हैं। On the examination, last slide sir, on the examination day आपको क्या करना है? Number 1, मैंने बोल दिया ना, drop images of the friends from your minds, from your minds, from their minds, from your minds, keep the mind free. देखो बेटा, mind को free रखना है। Though many images you keep, energy is frozen. You are in tension, stress. Keep slate of the mind free. Don't remember anybody. Second thing is, nobody is taking your marks, no competition. Your marks are with you only, na? Competition का है? No competition for students. Enjoy life. Third one, please don't talk to friends before exam. You know why? कोई आके कहेगा आपसे, वो तो पढ़ लिया क्या, ओ कौन सा पेज में, 22 पेज नंबर, कौन सा 3 नंबर, वो नहीं पढ़ा, योर माइंड डिस्टर्ब। सब बेवकूफ लोग आके आपको क्या कुछ सुना देते हैं, and you whatever you studied, that also get education, that also get disturbed. Maunam. Don't interact too much people. Mind at all disturbs. Next one. No one is examining you, I told you. No parents, society. You're taking your examination on that day. You can do one important thing. What is that, you know? किसी के साथ कुछ बदला लेना है ना, उस समय ले लो. कैसे? टीचर, वाटर. टीचर, no, you don't get up, I'll give you. One more glass. जो बदला था बदल ले लो. Teacher, can we get hot water? Right? तो इसलिए ठीक है. After 5 minutes, one more glass दे के आना. Teacher, पेपर देना. Extra answer sheet. अभी तो दे आओ. Please give me. They can't ask. They are servants. साल भर का बदला तो ले लो एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में. ले लो बेटा, ले लो. Enjoy the day, no? And one important thing, just flip pages. Don't पढ़ना नहीं कुछ भी. 2 घंटे पहले देखो, किताब देखो, image. बस पढ़ना नहीं कुछ भी तब. Just image. And one more thing. Before writing exam, take 3 deep, slow breaths. Like this, you know. Like that. And throw out all tension, worry, anxiety, fear, throw out breath. In breath में take in confidence, courage, drink it. And mind becomes peaceful. Then remember the Lord in your heart. Oh Lord, please be with me. And write exam. You will succeed. Thank you.
It's the time for question and answer round. Please feel free to ask any questions or queries.
What should we do? I just work hard every day, but there's no result or I'm not lucky enough. What should I do? Should I give up on hard work?
Hurry up, beta. Listen. Listen. You cannot measure hard work. Check now. You are unable to recall or memory, or you don't understand and try to read by heart, or you quickly forget when other things are read, or your own anxiety within you disturbs the memory and makes you nervous. Discover it first.
Sir, actually, there was a thing that I worked 2 hours. One day is a long time, and actually, I have to submit that it was something art thing for a nationals. But when I submitted to ma'am, she forgot to give it to me.
So that is true. That happens. What happens?
This is the 3rd time that happened to me, and I'm just giving up on hard work.
I understand your sorrow. I'm feeling you right in your heart now. But one thing better. There is some kind of, sometimes it's not luck factor actually. It's a kind of, I would call it a destiny sometimes. It plays, but don't lose your heart. Don't lose your heart. And remember, you can achieve more things and greater things. And I'll just give you one thing. Whenever you want to study or anything, 2 hours and all, don't do continuously. Make it 15-20 minutes study, give 5 minutes gap. Let it sink. Then 15 minutes study, 5 minutes, 3 minutes gap. Let it sink. In compartments you study. And certain times some projects, some teacher forgot and all that. I am very sorry. The teacher has to be blamed for this. How can she forget to submit the report? If you have submitted and she did not submit, forwarded 3 times, she did not do. Some problem with the teacher there. I cannot accept this. So get things right done with principals directly. Be courageous. I am not asking you to bear the unfair treatment. This is unfair.
Actually, it wasn't teacher's fault. It was just that I gave it first and she forgot to give.
She cannot forget. That's a duty to remember everything. She can't play with the lives of the students like this. She or he. That's what I'm telling you. They can't play with the future of the children like this. They should be accountable. Whatever it is. Do you agree, sir, with me? That's what I'm telling you. Don't say ill luck, bad luck and all that. You are required, confront with the help of the principal. Very dangerous it is. Okay? But don't lose your heart. Keep going. And you will succeed. If you want more, you can come to Ashram. Our Yogakendra members are there. You can befriend them. Madhav is there. Avinash, Madhav is there. You shall be here. These are all Yogakendra members. He is working. He is also studying engineering. He is also employed in software company. We have a lot of youth, both boys and girls, and a lot of youth are there. So please join, and you can really get a lot of knowledge, wisdom, skills, event management, public speaking, planning, and tremendous knowledge and confidence. And they are the ones who conduct a lot of games and management games in our Mission Yogakendra, in our camps and all that. Youth camps, we go for 250 youngsters will come. We do all that. So join us. Become more courageous and more knowledgeable. That's what I be empower yourself. Wherever required, be courageous. धर्म के प्रति लड़ाई करनी है तो भगवान कृष्ण हमको यही सिखाया कि fight for adharma. For dharma's sake, you fight against adharma. That's the duty of every citizen. ठीक है बेटा? Don't lose like this. Thank you. I think this is enough.
Sir, one more question. Sir, how can we improve our retaining power? Like for example, if I'm doing theory, तो ऐसा लगता है थोड़ी देर बाद overload हो
जाता है. इसीलिए मैंने कहा बेटा, we just control him ना. Do one thing. 15 मिनट पढ़ना या 20 मिनट पढ़ो. Let it sink for 3, 4, 5 minutes. Relax. वह जगह उठ जाओ. Don't think about it. Go and आसमान को देखो, गुरु नानक जी का देखो, नमस्कार करो, चित्र को, just like a cup of coffee. या तो कुछ खा के आ जाओ कुछ मन में, या गुस्से करो, मम्मी से बात करो, पापा. Just relax. Shake the mind. And again come back. It will sink slowly. Absorption rate is less, and you're pumping so much data, it just oozes out. It can't retain. So this practice has been time tested. Slow, small doses, retain. Number 1. Number 2, before you go to bed, introspect. There will be IDNS, introspect, detect, negate, substitute. Anyway, I just tell one thing. Before you go to bed every day, just take a paper and pen, keep it on table, and just quietly recall. What did you do in the morning? What subject you studied? What did you study? Just try to recall. And where you're not able to recall, write down. This I'm not recall. Not able to recall. Anything you observed about yourself, mistake, something you made, write down. Just like 10-15 minutes every day. Just rewind the entire tape of the day. And rewinding, you are recollecting what all you have studied. And next day morning, now evening 15 minutes laga. Next day morning, rewind of yesterday's entire study in 5 minutes. Then slowly the retention will come. If you load the mind with extra data, mind is like this, bombarded with data. Mind cannot absorb. We are not trained that way. Okay? Do this, you will succeed. Thank you.
Last question, anybody? You wish to? So the last.
Yeah, please.
Good morning, Swamiji. My question to you is that, as you said that, for example, if there is one post and 25 people are applying for it, then like they are competing with themselves, not with others. Sir, but my question to you is that, for example, we have studied that motivation can be both positive and negative. So, if I know that there is this one post and I'm the lone competitor, then I won't be performing to my best. I'll be lazy and I'll be like, okay, I'm only one and I'm going to get it. But due to this competition, if I have that fear in my mind that, someone else can take this and I really need this, then maybe I'll be performing out of my boundaries, I'll be making my best efforts.
See, it is a weak mind which says, hello beta, somebody is required for me to motivate me. That is a bad state of mind. जैसे कि कोई देख रहा है तो मैं ईमानदारी से जीता हूं, कोई नहीं देख रहा तो बेईमानी करता हूं. That kind of a thing, that's not good. That means it is not your character. Your mind. So under pressure you are performing, that is not the beauty of the great people. Whether 30 people compete or no competition, you are alone also, lone post, nobody is competing. Yet, to do your best is the best example from Chinmayanji would give my Gurudev. On a mountain top, a beautiful flower, bud is unfolding. The flower unfolds. It doesn't say, because nobody is around me, no bees are around, and nobody is coming and appreciating my beauty, nobody is coming and taking my photograph, why should I unfold? The beauty of the bud is in unfoldment, irrespective of whether people recognize it or not. That is the state of mind which we have to cultivate. Okay? Your beauty is to unfold. People may recognize, may not recognize. But to do your best is your character of the personality. Okay, my dear? Be that way. Good question. Thank you.
The question and answer are over. Thank you, sir, for providing valuable input to us today.
Now I request the dignitaries to join us on the stage.
Wait.
Yes, sir. Leadership. After this. So just be present. Okay. So please.
Now I request Principal Sir and his esteemed dignitaries to join us on the stage. It's time to pay our gratitude and deep appreciation to Honorable Swamiji. May I request Principal Sir and our dignitaries to present him with a memento.
एक्टिविटी नहीं करते क्या?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Swamiji, for widening our horizons and leading us to a higher dimension of humanity and health. May I now request Mr. Venu Madhav to please come to the stage and announce.
So, good morning everyone. So, how many of you are active on Instagram? Yeah, deactivate कर दिया है. Well, okay. So, we have an Instagram page called Chick Noida. Can we lower dim the lights? So, we have an ashram in Sector 37 Noida. I'll showcase few of our videos.
All the best, my dear.
So I'll showcase few videos. So we have a segment called Sambal Saturday with Swamiji, in which we ask questions like which are relatable to the youth, and Swamiji answers them in a way which we can understand. So Avinash, play one of the videos.
Rashmi?
See, solitude is not loneliness, number one. Solitude is where you are there with yourself. Should we have a time every day for solitude? See, solitude is not loneliness, number one. Solitude is where you are there with yourself and you start reflecting and thinking about you and your life, your weaknesses, your strengths. It's an exclusive time to do research by yourself, on yourself. There should be no mobile phone at that time for some time, 1 hour at least. No social media, no television, no phone call, nothing. When you are alone, away from everything, you are there with your mind, with your intellect, with your thoughts, with your goals, with your aspirations, with your ideas, your strengths and weaknesses. You just spend time with them and observe what are you, study about yourself and draw your goals, think about it, invoke the Lord, praise the Lord, give you strength, etc., etc. So when you are focused on what it does, you can really grow in life. Great musicians, music directors they want solitude. Great artists, they want solitude. Great research people, they want solitude. And great scientists discovering in their own laboratories, they want solitude. Think about it, all the great people in the world, whatever field they always aspire solitude, undisturbed focus. And the time spent only by themselves, for themselves, all alone, not loneliness, no depression and no rejection, but positively being alone, time spent being alone is a great art. Once you know the beauty of solitude and the benefits that it assures, you will never miss to be alone in life. Thank you.
So we conducted a camp in June this year, and many students from your school also participated in it. So let's have a look.
Govern your mind, power your enthusiasm, and transform your life. GPT, correct? Then do the things of the blind and stand on the tip of the tail of the dog of the nurse of the child of the wife of the old people and the leaders of the how we can make our own free processes in our mind.
I'm coming for a camp in this location. I feel very blessed, and I also feel that you are also in a very happy state.
So this was in Sitrabadi, which is near Dharamshala. So we really want youngsters to join CHIC and follow us on Instagram. Thank you, Ekta ma'am, for giving us the opportunity to present. Thank you, students, and all the best for your exams.
Now I request Head Secondary Stage Dr. Ekta K. Ratra to felicitate Mr. Venu Madhav.
We are living in a pivotal moment of Bharatiya Renaissance, a time to return to our Vedic roots and realign ourselves with the eternal path of self. Let us close this session with a powerful shloka that reminds us of the infinite and abundant nature of the universe. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnam Uddhachyate Purnanasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. This mantra encourages us to accept all of life's experiences, knowing that everything we need is already within us. Thank you, dear audience, for being a part of this journey of enlightenment. You have been a wonderful